Alright guys, we got 2017 National Treasures. This is break number 2. Break number 2 of 4. I will go over the teams. You got JP with the Niners, Mike Henry with the Bears, Malcolm's got the Bengals, Greg with the Bills, David with the Broncos, Todd Wright with the Browns, Brad with the Bucks, Mike Henry's got the Cardinals, Josh Newman with the Chargers, Mike Henry's got the Chiefs, Brandon Smith with the Colts, Zoe with the Cowboys, Daniel with the Dolphins, Timmy B with the Eagles, Josh Newman with the Falcons, David Lamberton with the Giants, Jesse's got the Jags, Lamberton with the Jets, Timmy B with the Lions, Mike Lawrence with the Packers, Josh Newman with the Panthers, Jay with the Patriots, Michael Smith with the Raiders. You got Patrick with the Rams, Timmy B with the Ravens, Joshua with the Skins, Mike Henry with the Saints, George with the Seahawks, Rusty's got the Steelers, Mike Henry with the Texans, Michael Smith with the Titans, and Dale with the Vikings. Let's do it, guys. Thanks for joining. Appreciate it. Break number 2, box number 2. Good luck. Good luck. What do we get? There's our box. Kind of fat, I guess. I don't know. I guess it was the same as yesterday. I guess this one coming out more. Let's go. Oh yeah, that's why. All right, we'll yank them right off the top. Good luck, guys. First card of the break. We got David Johnson. Little insert out of 99 for the Cards. Going out to Mike Henry. David Johnson. Next you have out of 49, Kendall Wright for the Bears. 11 of 49, Kendall Wright for the Bears. Our first hit, nasty little patch, literally. You got out of 99. How about some Blake Bortles action? Little dirty underwear there. Blake Bortles for the Jags. That's sweet when it's game used. Missing clothes, player worn material. It says player worn. Either he spilled something on himself at a show, or it's a nice game worn use. You'll see it. Next hit. Nice 1, 2, 3, 4 color patch. How about some LaDainian Tomlinson for the Chargers? 2 of 10. That's sick there. Going out to Josh Newman and the Chargers. 2 of 10. LT. Congrats. That's a nice one. Next one's got a sick patch numbered 1 of 5. 1 of 5. Look at that. Wayne Gallman for the Giants. Going out to David Lamberton. Sick patch there. At the NY patch. 1 of 5 for the Giants. Nice looking card. A couple of sick patches. Next you have a rookie for the Niners. 28 of 49. 2 color patch of CJ Beathard. Going out to JP and the Niners. 2 color patch out of 49 of CJ Beathard. Next you have Joe Williams, 38 of 99, jersey auto for the Niners. Back-to-back hits for the Niners. 38 of 99, Joe Williams. Going out to JP Stoley. Joe Williams patch auto. Then we have a book. Nice little book card. Yeah, jumbo patch on card auto of DeShone Kizer for the Browns. DeShone Kizer, 2 color jumbo patch auto going out to Todd Bright and the Browns. This one's numbered 70 of 99. 70 of 99. Rookie signatures. Deshaun Kaiser. That's sweet. Your next hit is numbered out of 5. Numbered out of 5. Going out to the Panthers. Curtis Samuel. Curtis Samuel, 3 of 5. And that one's going out to Josh Newman and the Panthers. On-card auto, of course, of Curtis Samuel. 3 of 5. And the last card is a redemption. We have 2017 Playoff National Treasures Sync Signatures. This is actually pretty cool. Matt Ryan and Michael Vick going out to the Falcons, and that's Josh Newman. Matt Ryan and Michael Vick Sync Signatures. Card number 2. That's pretty sweet, especially if you're a Falcons guy. Matt Ryan and Michael Vick Sync Signatures. I'm sure it looks like that Aikman Staubach one. And that does it for the box. Thanks a lot, guys. Like I said, break number 3 is up. Just a few teams left there. And a mini up as well to get through number 3. Let's get through the case and get to the next one. Appreciate it. Thanks, guys.